Stop pretending everything is fine. Stop lying to yourself. You've been waiting for what? For someone to hand you permission to rise? Listen closely. Your comeback starts the moment you admit the truth. You feel stuck, empty, alone, frustrated. You scroll, you compare. You wonder why life seems easier for everyone else. You tell yourself, tomorrow, next week, maybe someday. But the truth is, you're hiding from yourself. You know this is true. You feel it every night, in the silence, in your chest. The regret, the wasted hours, the dreams you let fade. Stop lying. Stop accepting smallness. But here's the thing. Weakness is not your identity. Failure is not your destiny. You are not defined by what you lost, but by what you choose to take back. Imagine the man you can become if you start today. Strong, disciplined, relentless. A man who walks into the fire and does not flinch. Every scar, every mistake, they are proof. Proof that you survived. Proof that you can rise. Until 1 year from now, people will look at you and ask, "Bro, what happened to you?" Tell them this, PC Better Days. Because that's not just a name, that's your identity now. Your daily reminder that your future is stronger than your past. And listen, if this sparks even a small fire in you, don't scroll past it, lock in. Stay on this path, subscribe, stay aligned, stay relentless. Never slip back into the person you're leaving behind. This is your moment. This is your shift. These are your better days. PC Better Days. Remember the name, live the message. Look at yourself in the mirror and admit it. You're done waiting. You're done doubting. You're done giving power to fear. This is your rebirth. Start now. Take the first step. Claim your comeback. Your life is waiting. Don't waste another second.